Ventilator modes abbreviation. Hello friends, welcome. Ventilator is the most important device for the patients who are critically ill. And due to this, we prepared this video to provide the basic abbreviation related with ventilator. Let's start. IPPV mode means intermittent positive pressure ventilation. SIMV synchronized intermittent mechanical ventilation. CPAP continuous positive airway pressure. ASB assist spontaneous breathing. PASB pressure support assistant spontaneous breathing. CMV continuous mandatory ventilation. ACV assist control ventilation. IMV intermittent mandatory ventilation. CSV continuous spontaneous ventilation. BiPAP bi-level positive airway pressure. PEEP positive and expiratory pressure. Thanks for watching everyone. In our next video you will find detail of all the abbreviations.